Yeah, now we're talking.
The following is a no-holds-barred match. Making his way to the ring from New York, weighing in at 143 pounds, Selena Kitty.
You are looking at some highly motivated competitors in this match, looking to steal the show and capture the attention of the entire WWE Universe.
The competition level has never been higher, but this guy's...
Just take a look at the size of Sanga.
And his opponent, representing Indus from India, weighing in at 297 pounds, Sanga!
At one point in time, Sanga served as the enforcer for one Grayson Waller.
Yeah, backing up Waller's loudmouth is a full-time job. But now, Sanga is fully focused on his own success.
You better be careful, Saxton. I hear Waller still has Sanga on a retainer.
There's been some discussion about what exactly a no-holds-barred match means. Corey, what's your take on it?
Just a fancy way of saying you can do whatever the hell you want. As long as you pin or submit the other competitor in the ring, go nuts, which is exactly what I predict these superstars will be doing momentarily.
Reversal on Sanga.
Sent into the corner.
Drop kick.
Running Swanton finds the mark.
And some say the only limit in a no DQ is your own imagination.
Right, so Saxton wouldn't stand a chance. For everyone else, though, the sky is the limit. Anything you wish you could do to get a win, you could probably arrange it here. So my advice is to hold nothing back.
Getting back into the ring. Shifts it back onto...
Off the top.
On a diving arm drag.
Unbelievable. He thinks he has it.
Raises the shoulder before the 1 count.
A little closer to getting the pinfall there, but this is still anybody's fight.
And the pressure of shoulders down. And he breaks the count quickly.
Still no end in sight here. Just like that, Sanga evades.
Yikes, that'll either wake you up or knock you out. No, flesh on flesh. Nothing pretty about it. Big knee. And right between the shoulders.
He can do it here. Kick out at 1.
He clearly has no intention of staying down.
Power drop kick.
Crafty way to get out of harm there. Look at this.
Oh, from the rope. Taking it outside the ring now.
Grabbing a bat, and here I am without any peanuts. He was waiting for him to make his move. Steered clear of that.
Nice calf kick. Great elevation. Oh, look at the power.
Not finished yet.
Sanga sees the finish line.
Cover. He kicks out before the count starts. How? A new strategy is needed right about now if that couldn't end things.
Outright presentation of power there.
Oh, my goodness.
Sanga may be thinking high risk.
He's getting up, but there's danger in front of him.
Oh, look out.
Power slam puts a quick stop to the offense.
Oh, man. Right to the leg.
answering back.
Oh, jarring back elbow.
He's absorbing some tough hits now.
At this stage of the match, they are clearly starting to feel the effects of this back and forth.
Range down an elbow retaliation.
Sanga was ready for that one. Oof! Lands the haymaker.
Unbelievable athleticism. Into the armbar.
Scrolls his way out.
Reversal on Sanga.
Snapmare over. Both arms chicken wing. Can they roll through? Yes. Counter mutilation locked in.
After everything these two men have been through, he let it go.
Yeah, I wonder why. Shoulders down.
An exhausting victory, but a win nonetheless.
Here is your winner, feline Kitty.
Sanga has been defeated, and he is beside himself.
But somehow, I doubt this loss will shake Sanga's determination. If anything, it'll only increase it.